Hello, this is the clock guy. I have a nice clock to show you today. It's an Ansonia mantel clock from the 1800s. Let's take a look at it. Here it is. It is the Trieste model, and it's from the late 1800s. Trieste is the easternmost city in Italy. It used to be a part of Austria, so it was named after that town, as a lot of clocks were named after towns. It's from the Ansonia Clock Company from New York City. The movement is stamped 1882, so this could be anywhere from 1882 to 1892 maybe. It is a really nice model. I think it's beautiful. It looks like a mahogany colored finish. I don't think the wood is mahogany. It looks more like walnut. As you can see, it does have some of the crackling and bubbling of the old finish, which is very common on these clocks. They sat on top of fireplaces, as this one is. It's one of our 4 fireplaces. So that heat just baked this clock every day. It's still, I think the finish gives it character. I wouldn't refinish it. I wouldn't touch it actually. Maybe some Howard's Restore finish to shine it up a bit, but that's about it. It's got a nice brass bezel, a 2-piece paper dial, nice. It's in good condition for being 140 years old. It does run well. Keeps very accurate time. Let's look at the, turn it around and look at the back. There's the label. Eight-day Trieste. It's intact enough to read it. It does say something to the effect of not original without this trademark. It is the Ansonia trademark, the A in the diamond. It has a nice door and lock in the back. You can see why I don't think this is mahogany. Stamp on the movement. Ansonia Clock Company, USA, New York, New York. Patented June 13th, 1882. The movement and the pivots and everything, the gears are in really good shape. The mainsprings are in very good shape. Everything on this clock is in really good condition. It has been cleaned and oiled, inspected, test run, adjusted, one gong on the half hour, and then it counts the hour on the hour. Which just happens to be 1 o'clock. Stands just about 15 inches tall. It's 4 inches wide. It's really nice Eastlake style carving. Well, there you have it. The Ansonia Clock Company Trieste model from around 1882. It's the clock guy saying thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.